Facebook. Okay. I'm sorry. Ruben just said something funny. Um, now, guys, let's look at example number 3. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and put on here as well um, to simplify and give restrictions. Okay. It's easy to give restrictions, so we might as well just practice doing it. We know that restrictions with this stuff means no zeros in the denominator. Now the first thing I'm going to look at is the top term, and it says 2x squared plus x minus 3. Okay, I need to factor that. There's nothing I can pull out. It has 3 terms, and there's something in front of the x squared. Okay, so a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to negative 3. Minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, minus parentheses plus or minus there we go, the square root of parentheses squared minus 4 parentheses all over 2 parentheses. Okay, let me plug in what I know. 1, 1, 2, 2, and negative 3. So I get negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus what looks like 4 times 6, 24. Oh, good. Nice teachers. So that's negative 1 plus the square root of 25 over 4. All right. So negative 1 plus 5 over 4 and negative 1 minus 5 over 4. And that's going to give us, come on, smartboard people. So we're going to get 4 over 4, which is just 1. And we're going to get negative 6 over 4, which is negative 3 halves. Okay? So, and you'll remember from us factoring in the last test, and I'm not going to take all the time in the world to do this, x minus 1 is one of them. What's the other one? Can you just look at it and tell me? Jackson.
3x, negative 3x.
It's going to be 2x, right? Plus 3. Beautiful. The sign changes, and it's the denominator that's multiplied by the x. Okay, so that's our factors on top. All right? I think it would, tell me again, it was x minus 1, and then 2x plus 3. All right, beautiful. Now on the bottom, I hope you see that I need to take a negative 1 out, because the x squared is negative. So I'm going to take a negative 1 out, and that's going to give me positive x squared plus x minus 2. Everybody see that? I just took the negative 1 out. And then I ordered them the way they're supposed to go, with the x squared in front. Now I need to factor that one. Well, let me rewrite. So I've got x minus 1 times 2x plus 3. And then I've got negative 1 times, and I know I'm going to have x's in the front. And I'm going to get, anybody know what those factors are? What are they, Miles? With negative 2?
Oh, my bad. 2.
Plus 2 and minus 1. Good. All right. Now, before I cancel, I need to give the restrictions. Can anyone, you can probably just look at this. What can x not be? What can x not be, Ruben? Can't be negative 2. What else can it not be, Will? It can't be positive 1, because if it was, then that would make it 0, right? So here are our restrictions, and then the x minus 1 factors cancel. And that's going to give me, whoa, I went too far. Typical. All right, so now I've got negative 1 times 2x plus 3. I always put my negative on top, guys. And then x plus 2. You could distribute that in if you wanted to, but you don't have to. You don't have to. Do you see the negative 1? I just put it up there with the 2x plus 3 over the x plus 2. Because I always put the negative at the top, don't I? It helps me with slope when I'm graphing linear equations, which you guys know. Okay? Miles. Oh, great. Thank you. That's perfect. Thank you, Miles. Miles said I forgot to put the slash through the equals. X cannot equal negative 2 or 1. All right? Great job, guys.